Hello everyone, so I'm going to update this Windows 10 computer to Windows 11. So to do that, I want to go to Settings, click on Update and Security, click on Windows inside a program, or you can just go to Search and just type in Windows inside a program. I'll click on Get Started. Now it says pick an account to get started, and this can be a Microsoft account. So I'm going to click my Microsoft account, click continue. So I have an Outlook account, so I'm going to just log in with that. Click next. So it says pick your insider settings. So I want to select this option here. Click confirm. Click confirm again. I'm going to restart. So I clicked on update, and right now it's downloaded the Windows 11. So this is going to take a while to download Windows 11. Now I would install this Windows 11 in a separate computer for testing purposes. So I'm downloading it in my laptop, which has Windows 10 Professional, and I am updating it to Windows 11 so I can test Windows 11. So it's still downloading. It's 40%. So my Windows 10 Professional Edition computer has been upgraded to Windows 11, and this is how it looks after the upgrade. This is the taskbar. This is the start menu. When I click on it, these are some of the apps, and if I click all apps, I will see all the apps that I installed in my computer. There are some extra apps that were installed during the upgrade. For example, Twitter, Instagram, PixArt, Xbox. So there's a settings gear icon here, and when I click on it, I can get all the settings here that I can change. Now in the previous Windows 10, I had Microsoft Office 2019 installed, and during the upgrade it's here. So when I click on it, it opens and it works normally. So that's good. I also had Adobe Suite. So these are some of the apps, and it's here. When I right click this PC, I can go to properties. So this is how it shows, and it says Windows specifications. It's Windows 11 Pro version 21H2. So this is the widgets menu icon on the taskbar. When I click on it, they have all these widgets with the weather, with news. So the start menu, it has been removed from the left end, and Microsoft in Windows 11 placed it here in the middle. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I thank you for watching. I ask you to subscribe.